In this video, we will learn the position of the emergence of cranial nerve. So, in anatomical position, you can see here, this is the cerebral hemisphere, both cerebral hemispheres separated by the median longitudinal fissure. You can see here there are the cerebellar hemisphere. When we see on the inferior aspect, this is the frontal lobe of cerebral hemisphere inferior aspect. This one is the temporal lobe. Here you will have the occipital lobe, and this is the parietal lobe of cerebral hemisphere. So from inferior aspect we can see the orbital and temporal lobe. These are the cerebellar hemisphere, and here you can see the medulla, pons, and this area is the midbrain part. Now the attachment of the nerves are over the inferior aspect of the brain. So there are 12 cranial nerves. The first cranial nerve is the olfactory nerve, which you can find over here. These are the olfactory nerves on both the sides at the inferior surface of the orbital frontal lobe. These are the olfactory nerves. Then we can see a white structure which is decussating over here. This is called as the optic nerve. This is the optic nerve, and they decussate to form what is called as the optic chiasma. Now the area which is over here just above the pons, that's the midbrain part, and the structure which we can see is here is the crus cerebri. From its medial aspect, the third cranial nerve, that is the oculomotor nerves, that will take origin, which is not seen over here, and from its lateral aspect we can see the fourth cranial nerve, that is the trochlear nerve. Both are not seen here, but this will be the position from the medial and lateral aspect of the crus cerebri. The fourth cranial nerve, the trochlear nerve, is the only nerve which comes from the dorsal aspect of the brain, and it will wind around over here over the crus cerebri. Now coming to this, the fifth cranial nerve, this is the pons area. So the fibers which goes from pons to the cerebellum will form what is called as the middle cerebellar peduncle, and at the junction of pons with the middle cerebellar peduncle we can see the rootlets over here. These are the rootlets on both the sides. The thickest nerve kind of, that is the trigeminal nerve or the fifth cranial nerve. Now as we have seen, from the junction of pons and medulla, the pontomedullary junction from medial to lateral, at the junction of pyramid with the pons, you will see the emergence of sixth nerve, which is seen on this side only, not present over here. Next to that, from the olive